By the end of this video, you will know how to use Notion for budgeting, 503020 rule, open Notion and create a new page for this budget. Give the page a name that clearly identifies it as your 50-30-20 budget, so it is easy to find later. This page will hold the database and the different views you use to review your spending. Next, add a table database to the page. This will be the main place where you track income and expenses. If Notion gives you a blank table with sample rows or columns, clear those out so the database matches the budget structure you want to use. Once the table is in place, add the properties you need. Create a property for transaction, one for category, one for amount, one for date, and one for budget type. Keep the names clear and consistent because you will use these fields when you sort, filter, and review your records. For amount, make sure the property is set up in a way that works for money values. For date, use a date property so each transaction is tied to a specific day. Now start categorizing the budget using the 50-30-20 rule. In the budget type property, assign each entry to needs, wants, or savings. Needs represent the 50% portion, wants represent 30%, and savings represent 20%. This is the key label that will let you compare actual spending against the structure of the rule. After that, begin adding your income and expenses into the database. Enter each transaction as its own row. Fill in the transaction name, the category, the amount, the date, and the budget type for every row. Record income as well as expenses so your database reflects the full picture of money coming in and money going out. Make sure each row is complete before moving to the next one, especially the budget type since that affects your later review. With your records in place, create different views for the same database. Add a table view if you want the standard layout, then create a board view or a calendar view to organize the same information in other formats. The data stays connected across all views, so changes made in one view will appear in the others. Next, review your spending by filtering and sorting transactions based on budget category. Look at the entries grouped under needs, wants, and savings and compare those amounts to the 50-30-20 targets. This gives you a direct way to see whether spending is lining up with the rule or whether one category is taking a larger share than planned. Keep the budget current by adding new transactions regularly and checking the database often. A budget only reflects your situation when the entries are up to date, so ongoing review is part of staying aligned with your financial goals. Your Notion page now tracks income and expenses using a 50-30-20 budget database with organized views and category-based review.